Hey there, Internet. Keev here, and welcome to the CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going over the new IK Precision Foam Nozzle. And that's this mint color guy right here. And based off the writing on the front, if you see on this nozzle, I used permanent marker to go over it so I can actually see the lettering, because that mint color, you can't see what it says. But basically it looks like it's about a 70-degree nozzle. And I have three IK eFoam Pro 2s in front of you, which all work. Isn't that crazy? One's a Gen 2 and the other two are Gen 1s. I have two other Gen 1s. They run and they work, but they just never stop running. I'm too lazy to do something about it, send it back, whatever. But what I have here is the precision nozzle. We have the original nozzle. And in this one, we have an alternative nozzle, a high quality stainless steel alternative nozzle. This is a 6508 nozzle. It's a 1.8 millimeter, 65 degree nozzle. Now I also have a 6505 and a 6503 here. You would think as you go down in the numbers that it would foam more. No, it's not the case. It foams less. The 6503 and the 6505 came as separate pairs for about $13. So you get two nozzles each. The 6508 came as a single for $10, all on Amazon. And like I said, all stainless, really nice stuff. The precision foamy nozzle I got at the rag company, because when I bought it, they were currently the only ones that had them. I got it for about 10 bucks. I got a couple of brushes as well, and I actually got three of these nozzles. And it still was nowhere near free shipping. So really, truly, this is going to cost you probably about $15 shipped. The rag company, I do have an affiliate with them. It's in the link in the description below. I have no discount code. The House of Rags ordered them. They just haven't gotten them yet, so they haven't been able to put them on the site. But when they do, code CARSWITHKEAV to save you 10% on those. I have no idea why rag company won't give us a discount code. We'll try on a Foam Pro 12 between the two different nozzles. And we'll also try to use that nozzle in an SPTA and a Nuburia foam sprayer as well. So we can kind of see, are these alternative nozzles interchangeable? Is this precision foamy nozzle interchangeable between them? Because the original nozzle was about 110 degrees. And I really feel, and it's the general consensus, that it's too wide. It's just too much. It's a spray pattern meant to try to cover a very large area for a device that really isn't meant for a large area. It can do a large area, but it's not meant to foam a whole car. It's meant to foam areas, tires, wheels. The 65 and 70 degree narrow fan spray is going to allow you to achieve that from a little bit further away, right? You're not going to have to be right up on it to get like this wide. You're going to be able to spray from a little bit further away as well. I think that's really going to help. So it comes in a box like this. You get the nozzle, you get an O-ring, you get the cap right here. And then right here, you get the little foam cartridge, which kind of helps because you'll be able to have two of these. You'll have one ready already with felt. I kind of think though, IK, you should have just went ahead and put a little square of felt filters in there, I think. Would have been a good idea. This is that little siphon I was telling you about. This is the green one, but the gray one is kind of in the middle. It's the intermediate that is in all of these. And what this does is that helps change the soap draw. So you have an orange, a green, and a gray. You have a wet foam, a dry foam, and kind of a middle ground, an intermediate. Now, these are what really helps make it foam. If you don't have this siphon, it's not going to foam. All that plus the technology in your head, all that kind of stuff is what leads to the foam overall. So this is the nozzle up close. Like I said, tell me what color you think it is. I think mint is a good color for it. You can see on the back, you have two bores in here, that middle bore and this outer bore. What kind of matches and fits this cartridge right here, right? An O-ring goes in between these. But guess what? That doesn't matter at all. Because when you seat this in here, all that needs to happen is that the cartridge is here and the O-ring is right there on the edge, flush. When that happens, that inner bore means nothing. So that just screws right on there. And you have your nozzle that you can change and then tighten down. Like, that stainless steel looks nice, doesn't it? Now, I know you've been looking at this over here on the right, like, Keev, what is going on over there? You have Phoenix Apex Auto Wash over here, and you have this contraption. Well, this is a magnetic stir. I use it for mixing my hydrochloric acid and my sodium hydroxide for regenerating my DI resin. I also use it to mix soaps, especially Incredible Suds, which is incredibly thick. You see, it's just running a tornado right here and it spins. These are like 25 or 30 bucks. Like if you're mixing, you know, pre-diluted products to put into containers, I love doing it this way. Just an amazingly good soap. There's 1 ounce in this 5,000 milliliters. It has no BS in it. It has no dyes and no perfumes. It's really good for those of you who might be hypoallergenic. This could be a really good soap for that as well. So if I was using it in a video, help Phoenix EOD out. You can get these at the House of Rags. Code CARSWITHKEAV will save you 10%. Well, that's enough talking. It's time to get into the testing. But before we do that, check the links below for anything in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Discount codes, product tags down there as well. Links to my Nozzle CAV YouTube channel and my CAV merch is there as well. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a small creator that you can support. Let's have some fun. Since we have it all pre-diluted in the same container, it will be the same control across all of them. These hold about 1.5 liters, so this is perfect. I will say I doubt we're spraying them for a whole 1.5 liters per spray gun. This is just to prove it out. We don't need a whole bunch of testing here. Then we have some for fun later. Well, we might as well start with the original. I'm just going to try to, from about this distance. It is a little strong right here, and you see it is a little lean right here. It's not perfect. This is the new precision foaming. It took 2 sprays about the same distance to equal the same amount. That's pretty cool, right? Like, we need to be a little bit stronger on the dilution of the apex. Look at that. So from that distance, it's foaming a little bit better now. See that? Versus and this. Sounds like a motocross race. Is the alternative better? It's 65 degrees versus I'm pretty sure it's 70 just based off of how it's written all over the nozzle. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I mean, I know this already worked. I've been testing this. I'm not going to show you 3 stainless steel nozzles and they don't work. I want to know how they work first. Wow, look at that. Well be some dimes. And that Apex Auto Wash coming off, and look at the wetting agents. You can see them. You can see the secondary surfactants right here, here. All good high quality soaps have wetting agents, secondary surfactants. And you'll see Apex Auto Wash, you'll see people when they do their awards, like Apex is always pretty much in the top 3. It's a really good value compared to Incredible Suds. So if Incredible Suds is too expensive for you, it's not cheap. But you can push it a little bit further than this, like the amount of soap. It takes a little bit less Incredible Suds to create the foam. So you can spread it and push it out a little bit further. I really like that nozzle. And it's stainless steel. So you can't say CAV is finding an alternative that's some janky, plasticky, whatever. CAV found an alternative, stainless version. Now, I will say before you guys comment about it, the IK does come with more. It comes with the cartridge with the filters. It comes with the cap. It comes with the O-ring and the nozzle. So you get a lot more for your value for sure. But I'm just trying to say, if you already have the IK, you probably already have that cartridge. You probably already have the O-ring. You have the cap. So if you just wanted the nozzle and you wanted something a little bit nicer and special, we got it. How about the Darth Vader edition Ryobi blower? Nice. I'm going to put these side by side and spread out with my armor parts. You can kind of see from the exact same distance. Now, I always knew there was some reason why I bought so many Foam Pro 2s when they first came out. Well, now we know we can use them in one video down the road, but this is the stainless, but this is the 6505. You see that difference in foaming? See how it's a little bit runnier? Now we have a pre-wash nozzle. This is a 6503. You can see it's even runnier. So you can have the same dilution of soap in the bottle for different tasks or whatever. Maybe you want one to clean one area. Maybe you want to be runny in the other area. All you have to do is change the nozzles. So for the next test, I have an IK Foam Pro 12, but the high alkaline version. And I also have this cool assembly that Fu, I don't know if many of you know in previous video, Fu is a bad influence on me. He made this for me, 3D printed, sent it to me. This is the Fantic X8 Apex. This does the auto start stop. The X10 Cross does it as well. I have the Fantic lineup. Those are the only ones I know. Now, I will warn you, this soap is different. This is Maniac Wheel and Tire 7-to-1. I'm not dumping out a gallon of this to test the Apex. I'm sorry. Not going to do that. But the Quick Beads that's on this hood is probably going to feel the wrath of this high alkaline. Normally, these red tips that come with these, they're a 11004. That's a very common nozzle. I have learned a lot about nozzles in my lawn care journey with different ways to spray chemicals, different spray rates. All right, here we go. Wow. And this has intermediate as well. I only ever use the intermediate. I don't use the green or orange. I don't use the wet or the dry. I just don't like it. And plus I'm too lazy to take it out when I get it out of the box. But you see the IK from that distance, that's how big of a coverage that we're getting. With this, you may want both, but you can get both. You can get it by being up close. I really think this precision nozzle is more for the smaller, the Pro 2, the Plus, the eFoam Pro 2, all of those. But you can put it in these as well. That way you can get big coverage. You have the big reservoir, the big capacity. So let me show you how easy this is. I know everybody's like, why aren't you wearing gloves? Why aren't you wearing gloves? Well, you know what? You should wear gloves, but I'm a big boy and I'll do what I want. So you put that stainless steel one in there in that same spot as where the red one was. And then just like the other one, you have an O-ring in there and you have the cartridge set up to where you want it. Here we go. Oh, look at that! Well, from far away. I mean, this is the CARSWITHKEAV Precision Nozzle. Like nobody's named that. We're just gonna go ahead and go with it. We have the CARSWITHKEAV nozzle we've been using to rinse off the hood. Let's just name this one too. Oh yeah, that Quick Beads is toast. All right, 6505. Ooh, okay, yeah. Different. Oh, that Quick Beads is toast. That Quick Beads is so toast. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's only one way to fix that though, right? Code CARSWITHKEAV to save you 10% at the House of Rags or DIY Detail for that. Quick Beads. Now I know it's a wet panel, but you didn't think I wasn't gonna try the IK Foam Pro 12 with the mint nozzle, right? Hey, that's spraying. Oh, it's leaking. I just didn't have the cap tight enough. Yeah, look at that. Good too. No sputter. And our Quick Beads is probably toast again. It didn't sit on there long enough this time around though. So this is the SPTA. I like to call this the tank because out of all of the electric sprayers that I've ever reviewed, this one has the least complaints. People love it. We have the 6508 in there. We have that same Apex, the last 500 milliliters that was in that picture is what's in here. And maybe this nozzle isn't the best for the SPTA. Let's try the stock SPTA nozzle. All right, stock SPTA nozzle. You saw the difference. That one actually foamed better. It was a narrower pattern. This is a little bit wider. I think this is maybe like an 85 degree, but it's not foaming as good either. So that kind of lets you know, based off of the dilution, that the IKs do foam better than the SPTA, and we kind of knew that. Compared to like Incredible Suds, you need less soap. This one you're gonna need a little bit more. We got tested the iCave Precision Foaming Nozzle works for the SPTA, right? There's people who may want to get one for theirs. Yeah, it's foaming about the same. Well, bad news. The nozzle doesn't fit in the assembly for the Nuburia. The IK does fit though. So the IK fits inside the cap, but it does not fit on here. This is a much larger assembly. The IK does not fit on it. So unless you plan on drilling it out, it's not gonna work. Well, the IK Precision Foaming Nozzle works amazingly well. It has that narrower pattern. The kit comes with the extra little cartridge with the foam filter in it. Comes with extra O-ring, comes with an extra cap. So you get a little more with it for that $10. But you're more than likely gonna have to pay shipping unless you've added it to a much larger cart to get free shipping somewhere. Like I said, I'll have affiliate links below for the rag company, but at some point, the House of Rags will have them and will have a discount code CARSWITHKEAV to save you 10% there as well. I'll say once again, rag company, why don't we have discount codes? Like, where's the incentive for the consumer to convert a sale? It doesn't make any sense. But the Precision CARSWITHKEAV nozzle is available on Amazon. I don't know how many there are out there. This is something that isn't bought a lot. I'll look around if I can find some more links and stuff that I can throw down there for, you know, if they sell out, because who knows? It doesn't work with the Nuburia, so maybe other foam sprayers, it might not fit them as well, but we know it fits the SPTA. We know it fits all the IKs. So there you go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check the links below for anything in the video. Discount codes, product tags down there as well. Links to my CARSWITHKEAV merch, links to my Nozzle CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel is there as well. And here's a small creator that you can support. So once again, we searched car detailing on YouTube and looked for videos posted in the last day. Just kind of go through trying to find channels to highlight. And this is JB Auto Works. You see, it just has 48 subscribers, kind of getting started. You see, posted 4 hours ago and then posted 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 month. So staying consistent once a week. I'll leave a link in the description below for JB Auto Works. Give them a chance. Check out the videos. If they're not your cup of tea, maybe give him some feedback as to why. Be nice about it. Help him out. I'll see you in the next video. Hey there. Yo. There's one, it's like $10. Oops. The precision nozzle is the precision nozzle, and that fan spray, you're going to be able to, the 65 and 70 degree are going to, the 65 and 70 degree are going to give you a narrower, the 65 and 70 degree are giving you, the 65 and 70 degrees narrower, the 65 and 70 degree narrower discount codes, product, or the general consensus,